Of the bombings, there were a lot of men outside who wanted to go inside the tunnel. They were not allowed to. But frankly, there were more men inside who wanted to go out already. They were not permitted to. Imagine 8,000 men inside the tunnel for 5 months, most of the time, without lights, electricity, and poor living condition. And 10 months after the war was over, America's got Japanese prisoners from Manila to Corridor to leave their friends inside. After 10 months, 2,000 dead, the stench was unbearable. Now, this was all collapsed in 1945. It was only reopened in 1976. But in 1988, a massive redevelopment project was undertaken by the Corridor Foundation. Before the pandemic, they would offer this optional 30-minute slides and sound show with life-size statues, simulated voices to reenact the Holocaust and drama for as it unfolded. When the pandemic struck, they closed the show, and now it's reopened. They don't have the show anymore. Don't worry, it's theater. And it's optional, it's extra 200 pesos each. Boring speeches of MacArthur and Quezon.
200 pesos save for...
So it says no videotaping during the show. There's no show you can videotape.
Please, pag nadalay mo kuhit ni mo, ayaw gusto nyo.
Now the first branch to the right was the office of President Quezon. It is intersecting the underground hospital. Medically necessary. President Quezon was sick aiming from tuberculosis. Countless humidity and appetite was in his condition.
Oh my God!
Before the surrender, Quezon was sent to the US for medical treatment. He did not finish the war. Quezon died in Saranac Lake, New York in 1944. MacArthur came back after 3 years later with Sergio Osmeña, the vice president, replacing him. During the show, this is the part where he welcomed upon arrival with the family, and Christmas Eve Mass was held here while it was bombing outside. When MacArthur was ordered to proceed to Australia, Quezon thought America abandoned the Philippines. He was quoted as saying, "Puñeta, typically Americans. How can you grieve and anguish at the fate of a distant cousin in Europe while a daughter is being raped right here in the back room?" But during the show, they removed the words "typically Americans." Now, Quezon at the end actually realized the wider picture. America had to revert to War Plan Rainbow 5, meaning Europe first before the Pacific. Only after the war in Europe has ended will the Americans come back for the Pacific. During the show, they have here a simulated bomb explosion. The tunnel will appear to shake, smoke will come out, a flash of light and a big bang. And to the younger people, this is what you call a typewriter. Now notice on the far end is a small opening. That is primarily for airflow or ventilation purposes. But if you go there at the far end and you duck walk, you turn right, you can exit there, there, or there. Same with the other side, they're all connected at the ends. And this was then the office of General George Moore, Harbor Defense Commander from Texas. At the time, it was a rule for General Moore. If you're not from Texas, you are not allowed to enter this office. Unless you outrank him. Unless you outrank him.
Sige na, 30
During the show, they show you here that doctors, soldiers, and nurses helping each other out. But this is the underground hospital. If you go all the way to the far end, it will lead you to the north opening. You remember the north opening? Before you can reach the far end, inside again are 12 branches left and right connected at the ends to accommodate 1,000 hospital beds. To the left side, projector panel boards. During the show, they played documentary footages. When MacArthur was ordered to proceed to Australia, he called General Wainwright from Bataan to Corridor. He is now leaving the chain of command to General Wainwright. With MacArthur's ego, he did not want to portray that the island was about to surrender. He was abandoning the fortress. He told General Wainwright, "Make it clear to all the men, I am leaving upon repeated orders from our president." Now later in the museum, I will show you a medal displayed, a medal for telling a lie, a medal for lying. Now, I'll show it to you later, remind me. But it was actually just made up, but it was good in a way. For example, I was curfewed, you're my friend, you're my alibi, you got my back. They gave you a medal for lying, equivalent to camaraderie. There was another medal called DTS award. If at the height of the bombings you're just inside Malinta, they gave you the DTS or Distinguished Tunnel Service Award. Nowadays, in the active US military, they have NLC, Never Left CONUS, or Never Left Continental US. And to the right side, 3 years of Jaal. This was the ceasefire When Corridor was about to surrender, there was a ceasefire, and the men inside Malinta Tunnel did not know what was going to happen with the negotiation. They took time drinking whiskey, playing poker, dancing with a nurse, and listening to old music. Now, when people spend overnight then, before the pandemic, they are checked in after a tour at the hotel. Then they go hiking and trekking in the woodlands. Then they have a sunset tour at night. They go back to Malinta Tunnel with hard hats and flashlights. They will enter and explore all of the branches left and right. The tour guide will show you how extensive Malinta Tunnel is. It'll take you more than 60 minutes inside. Important for helmets, some areas you have to duck walk, crawl a bit. They will show you on this side one branch with some Japanese bones laid out still. Nothing intact. They blew themselves up with dynamite, a hand, a foot, or a rib cage, or a jaw. I just call it night trekking, but they call it ghost hunting. 3 years of Japanese occupation, the island was called Homashima, or Homas Island. When I am the one conducting the underground hospital tour in the evening, in the middle of the activity, I drop the lights. That is how it was like then. It'll be so dark you cannot see the hand in front of your face. And then for 10 seconds without lights, I tell the group, let's move forward. You start hitting your friends and bumping the walls. One time I did that with a group of teachers. I had fun. Somebody pinched my bum. I turned the lights on. He was a guy. Oh, but he was cute. The show ends here. Telling you that after the retaking, MacArthur came back to Corridor, heading directly for topside to raise their flag. He said the words, I see the old flagstaff still stands. Have the troops hoist his colors to his feet. Let no enemy ever hold him down. And then Lupang Hinirang, Philippine National Anthem. That's the end of the show. And that's the end of your 200 pesos. Now at the far end, you can turn left or right. But notice here, the ceiling has already collapsed. Into yung Malinta here. 300 feet of rock above us. Bumper from the outside, not from the inside.
Sa labas, o binamba sa labas.
Again, at the far end, you turn left or right. I told you this was only redeveloped for the show in 1988. Right after 1945, this main tunnel looked like this. And notice yung itim na abo sa ibabaw, the black stain, that's original, abo ng gasolina yan. Soot from the gasoline, that's original.
Ito, renovate lang pala to.
Now notice some parts are
renovate lang pala
reinforced
to.
with wood, and this was added after the war to prevent further damage. But some with wood collapsed again. Apparently, there were Japanese buried dead with live grenades in their hands with the pins already pulled out. There were still explosions after the war cleaning the tunnel, and the Japanese are known to make booby traps. What is buried here is still there up to now, and the more you clean it, the more it will collapse.
Kukulat yung pagkalitan. Pag nalinisan mo pala,
Okay, let's start
kukulat
morning.
na.
The last two branches to the right, tangke ng gasolina, fuel storage tanks. You can see one tank here, another tank there. But if you explore the other side, there are 20 gasoline tanks, each with a capacity of 8,000 gallons.
Tangke ng gasolina. Tangke ng gasolina.
Flashlight po eh.
Oh my. It's the tank.
Okay, turn off the flashlight, please. Okay, patay yung flashlight over here. Pindutin ko lang ng mamatay. Just keep pressing. Flashlights here, please. Thank you. Okay, group picture outside.
Picture outside there. Picture outside tayo. Picture baby.